What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a few years, but welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you me stripping my car, getting it ready for paint. Obviously you can look at it. So basically when you're getting your car ready for paint, there's some things that you need to remove, and I'm going to show you the steps to removing those things and what do you need to remove. Also, you can save money when you send your car in to get painted if you do these things first.
You on record?
Oh, my bad. Yeah, we all done up here. Gang, gang. See this? 100%. Also, I didn't have these in my car. These little willy-nillies. I ain't got those. So, finna move along.
My hand don't be shaking.
So, really the way I should be doing this is from the inside. But I
Don't break your body. Yep, just like that.
You just need to push that in.
Oh.
I'm back at it. So you need a set of these.
What are those?
These are Torx bits. They're called star sockets on here, but they're most definitely Torx bits. And the size on the door is, looks like a T40. Excuse me.
I'm not even that close. So you take your expensive Milwaukee. Oh. If only.
If only. Now we need to focus our attention. Cacao.
What's first?
First, you have a screw in here. Which I will bring. Oh, nice. My camera person took the comfortable spot. See that? Did they see that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so then take.
You've been moving too fast.
Now, with the air vent. See the air vent?
Mm-hmm.
See the bolt in there?
Mm-hmm. You just covered it up. I had it right.
There it is, right there. All right, excuse me. Excuse me. Phillips bit. Now, the door is loose. You have to come back here. Can't see it from my angle, but that's what you want to push up on. Next up. No, man, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. We doing this. So we finna. This. Honestly, these badges aren't gonna go back on my car, but they're not hard to take off. To the camera lady.
Woman.
Ooh. D badge. All right. Fuzor. And you got pry from that.
Get in there.
Yeah. We didn't need that. Mechanics on YouTube, we ain't need that. We ain't need that. That was useless. Ma'am with the light, can I look up in there? Ooh, look at that. Something special for me. Excuse me camera. Excuse me camera.
And then you just repeat. Just got a bit on my arm.
Your responsibility.
So what's this thing you're taking off?
I am taking off this cover. There's just clips here, so you just pull on it. It'll pop right out. I'm taking the lock mechanism out right here. Sasa lock mechanism. There is 2 bolts there that need to come out. So you use your trusty, tried and true
Bauer.
non-brushless, by the way.
Bauer.
Bauer special. The one that you can't even get a socket onto.
Bauer.
Bauer. Look at that.
Huh?
Look at that. Look at that. Can't get no better than that.
You move so fast.
Yes. Everybody in the automotive industry needs to move fast. Like your life depends on it.
But when you record a video, you need to move like people need to see what you're doing.
True that. See this little rubber thing? Push it out. See? Real simple.
And don't lose it, Billy.
Don't lose it. How do we not lose stuff
Tape.
on the Zay's Automotive channel?
He has me tape every damn thing, and I'm sick of it. You hear?
Look, so simple. Put it back on where you got it. Or option 2 is take the tape, tape everything together. Rip it. Tape it to whatever it went to. Now you don't have to label it. You know where it goes. Come on, people. I lost the other parts.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna be honest here. Oh, they're right here.
Only on Zay's Automotive. Do you teach a lesson?
Taper, taper. Taper, taper. Use thicker tape. Ah, look at that. All right. From there, we have to remove another seal. Look at that. So much fun. All right, people. Now it's time to show you how to remove a tail light. Milwaukee. Matter of fact, now that we're here, this is my first time using this tool.
Tool review.
Oh, that's the stuff. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Oh, if you guys don't know how to change a light bulb, you do that in the car though. You don't take the headlight out or the tail light. And watch me put my screws back. To end the video off, man, we got everything taken off that we need to for the painters. If you guys give the video a thumbs up, I will show you them sanding, prepping, getting ready for paint. I'll show you some of the painting process in the video. So who knows what I got coming next. Oh yeah, you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below how shitty my car is. Or keep it to yourself, because I love this car. And that's it. We out of here. Gang gang.